Going back. You tired, baby? You're tired, baby? Is that the brown one, Gina? You're still okay, baby?
It's the one that the Callums are gonna buy.
They were.
Oh, really?
400.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. You guys should gotten it. What?
They're renovating it right
Yeah. You guys should have gotten that. 6 of them divided.
now. No, because we were gonna jump in and
Oh,
now
six.
get some more.
7 divided or 8 or how many? The kids and the whole siblings.
It would have been not.
Not in. Yeah. Probably what like.
Yeah, see, it's the same one, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it.
that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
They just look a little
This
different.
could have been everyone's for
Yeah, this is the
low
one-
payment of like $400 per
Yeah.
per family.
Yeah. A month.
Per
yeah.
family. 4 times 6, 6, 12, 8, 24. Yeah.